The story of Irfan Khan and Kunkuna Sen Sharma starrer Talwar is out and it looks promising. The story of Talwar revolves around the sensational murder of 14-year-old Arushi Talwar and 45-year-old domestic helper Hemraj and took place in the year 2008 in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. On Saturday, during the trailer launch, almost the entire team of the film was present. And during the media interaction, they shared their experience of shooting for the film and some other behind-the-scenes stuff. Watch the chit-chat here.
I found it very interesting as a performer because, like we said, we have, it's an investigative thriller. We have shown various aspects of this particular investigation. There are times, there are versions of the film where, of this investigation where the parents are believed to be innocent or they're believed to be guilty or someone else is believed to be guilty. So one has to play it in many different ways. So of course, as a performer, it was very interesting. It was very challenging. It was, very layered. That was interesting for me. But also, I think that it's important because, this should never happen again. If some kind of a crime is committed, against a young girl, we should never be in this position ever again where we don't know, where the evidence is so compromised, where we don't know, where there's no, where justice has not been served. This has been a travesty. And that is why the film is important. And that's why it's become controversial because, if the 13-year-old girl dies, you should know what's going on and you should therefore punish the people who are guilty. So this should never happen again. Hopefully we'll never have to make a film like this again.
Why are you using this word controversial? So controversial is something, everything is controversial. We have this tendency of getting fed by cinema and newspapers and TV. As a human being, we have a responsibility to find our own truth. If we are not doing that, then we are dead. We are worse than dead. Human beings should come to their own truth, and they should find their own truth. It shouldn't be so easy for somebody. We shouldn't be so gullible. This is my take on life, and that's what make me choose sometimes a very lighter film or sometimes very complicated film. When I read the story, there was a revelation for me that, it grabbed me emotionally, and it gave me a kind of operating system, the way in a system, different departments operate. And that's what, I came to know through this film. And I lived that film, this story. We became part of it because we wanted to, just support it. You just want to be part of it because, we felt like that. I don't think it's giving us a, scope to perform or show our talent or entertain you. It's just, trying to engage you in our times, what's going on in our times, it's a compelling drama.
मेरे हिसाब से जहाँ तक मेरी नॉलेज है, उन्होंने तो ये कहा ही नहीं कि ये फिल्म उस पर बेस्ड है, इसलिए रिलीज़ हुई वो फिल्म, नहीं तो वो फिल्म रिलीज़ भी नहीं होने वाली थी। तो उन्होंने तो लास्ट तक फिल्म मेकर ने ये कहा कि ये फिल्म उस पर बेस्ड नहीं है। तो मेरी तो ये नॉलेज है, बाकी तो
So that's what she's saying. Did you have to change certain things?
नहीं, पर उन्होंने तो चेंज किया ही इसलिए कि वो बोल रहे थे कि उनकी फिल्म उस पर बेस्ड नहीं है। हम कह रहे हैं हमारी फिल्म उस पर बेस्ड है।
So there was no trouble but in releasing it and getting.
वो तो अब शुरू होगी, आज पहला दिन है। And one more thing I want to say, the person who was saying कि कहानी तो सबको मालूम है, इसमें ऐसा क्या है जो बांधे रखेगा। इसमें बहुत सारी वही चीज़ें हमारे लिए एक्साइटिंग थी जो कि डिटेल्स लोगों को पता नहीं है कि क्या क्या बिज़ारनेस इस केस में सिस्टम ने की हैं और हुई हैं, और वही देखने का इसके अंदर मज़ा है जो कि किसी को मालूम नहीं है उन डिटेल्स के बारे में।